Monetizing AI agents is a very hot topic these days. Everybody is talking about AI agents. I just realized how I believe in AI agents, and I believe they are the future because I spoke with a good friend of mine. He is a VC, and he didn't know a lot about the AI agent space. Obviously, he knows about AI. He is very tech savvy, but he didn't know about the nuances when it comes to agents. And while I was explaining to him about AI agents, I realized how excited I am about this opportunity and about this advancement. So the goal of the video today is, first of all, share with you an interesting keynote that I saw that was published by one of the founders of HubSpot. If you guys don't know what is HubSpot, it's one of the most famous and popular CRMs available. I think they IPO'd. I'm pretty sure that they are publicly traded, so a huge platform. And we will see a bit of his takeaways and his insights about AI agents. And then I will share with you a new marketplace that he has built for AI agents, which is very interesting to follow and see what he does, because he is one of the leading voices in terms of monetizing AI agents, except for the companies that are actually building AI agents. So we will explore his marketplace, and then I will share a few of my thoughts regarding strategy and how to monetize AI agents. I'm probably wrong, but I just want to share my perspective and strategy with you guys. And if you have interesting insights, obviously leave them in the comment section, because I'm pretty curious and I'm interested in critical thinking and perspectives regarding monetizing AI agents. Okay, so that's it for the introduction. Let's dive into this keynote. We are not going to watch it obviously together. If you want, I will drop the link in the comment section. Let's just see the most interesting takeaways. We will use this useful feature that was presented by the adult industry, probably. I don't know. I don't consume adult stuff, but I was told that this feature of seeing the most replayed portions of the video is something that was invented in the adult industry. Anyway, so first part that I want to share with you.
Bigger and better, but we're seeing innovation along multiple dimensions. We now have multiple highly functional rate content being AI models with
is the innovation rate in the AI space. Let's see the graph. Where was the graph?
And I'm the parent of and first
he had an interesting graph.
In common. I can't actually.
Let's see.
Was caught more years ago. There's a lot. That's
this one. Sorry, I didn't mean to disrespect your time, but this is the graph. Basically, AI is growing at a very
That's why a computer that used to fill a room now fits in your pocket. So Moore said computers would double in capacity every 18 months. Then AI came along and said, hold my beer. AI models are doubling every 6 months. And this growth is partly what's causing all this excitement around AI.
Okay, so this is the first takeaway. AI growth, as you guys can see, is growing very, very fast, way faster than anything we've ever seen before. And the other part that I wanted to share with you is the fact that he believes that AI won't replace us.
Faster than us. AI may be smarter than us, but it can't be more human than us. Can't be, because it has not had human experiences. Like the thrill of starting something new.
Okay, so this is just his perspective. I didn't mean to become too philosophical, but he is a big promoter of AI agents. I highly recommend that you check out his LinkedIn. And what he's built is called Agent.AI, and he discusses the growth rate of Agent.AI in this video. He has a ton of signups. A lot of people already signed up to the platform. And Agent.AI is currently a platform, basically a professional network for AI agents. He designed it to look very similar to LinkedIn. And what you can do here is you can search different agents and then you can add them to your team or hire them. And you can see most of them were built by himself, some by other people. Just an interesting way to monetize AI agents, although I'm not sure if I consider these guys agents, or some of them are just like API calls probably. Some of it is actual agents, which is doing like a sequence of steps. Now let's see the most popular ones, or a few agents that I've hired, quote unquote, and let me show you what was the output. So the competitor analyst agent, he basically automates the process of collecting and analyzing data on rival companies, providing insights into their market positions, strengths, weaknesses, and strategies. It tracks competitors' activities over time, performs SWOT analysis, and benchmarks your company performance against theirs. So I just chose a random company from which is an outreach solution. Instantly AI allows sending cold email at scale. This is what I wrote. Instantly AI, go, and it generates this report. So instantly, the website, the industry, number of employees, company type, the sector. So far, it felt as if it's just pulling data from Apollo or LinkedIn. Then it created this competitor analysis, which is a Lemlist, the description of Lemlist, which is an email outreach tool that allows users to personalize cold email and automate follow-ups. The primary difference, Lemlist emphasizes personalization and deliverability features, including dynamic images and videos. Then Mailshake, Reply.io, Sales Handy, and Woodpecker. And I know all these platforms, and they are really competitors of Instantly. Here's some statistics of competitors pulled from Glassdoor, the headcount, the web traffic probably pulled from SimilarWeb or SEMrush or something like this, LinkedIn followers, and Twitter. So this is the analyst agent. I guess, it is nice because it was very fast and it generated this breakdown pretty fast. Let's think of a different company just so I will be able to give you an example of how fast this thing is. So Vimeo, a YouTube competitor. Let's see, Vimeo is a top video platform offering AI-powered tools for creating, managing, and sharing high-quality videos globally. 1.2k employees, private. These are the competitors: Brightcove, Dailymotion, Sprout Video, Wistia, and YouTube. Let's see the differentiation with YouTube. YouTube is a free platform supported by ads with a much larger user base and more diverse content. And these are stats of competitors. Okay, so this is the first agent. Next agent is trending content idea generator. I asked it to come up with ideas related to AutoGen. This is what it's provided. The topic idea, the relevance, the SEO benefits, and estimated impact on engagement and SEO. So exploring AutoGen Studio. This is the relevance, SEO benefits, and estimated impact. Let's see anything else interesting. The future of AI collaboration, multi-agent systems with AutoGen, comparing AutoGen and LandGraph, which is better for AI development, the impact of AutoGen on enterprise AI solutions. Okay, pretty nice. Flux image generator, if you guys don't know, Flux is a very accurate and precise image generator. I wrote a description here, it didn't work. I'm not sure why. Over here you can suggest more agents and you can see the other agents right here. So this kind of reminds me of Replicate. Replicate offers a solution of APIs that you can just run different models. You can run them. You have a list of featured models. So Pyramid Flow is a recent model that allows text to video. Flux One is what I told you about, which is a very precise text to image. And over here you can see all the models based on use case. So generate images, use a language model, caption images, edit images, get embeddings, upscale images, etc. Anyway, not to come too off topic, but I wouldn't say that I'm impressed by Agent.AI at the moment, but I did want to create this video because I'm sure that HubSpot is going to pour a lot of money into building this marketplace. And if you guys are interested in monetizing agents, I think it would be very wise to keep on tracking the progress of this platform. As far as I see it, I'm not sure exactly how to monetize agents because the pace of innovation is so fast. There is this concern by some builders that whatever they build will become obsolete very fast, or their efforts will be in vain, because after a while OpenAI or one of the platforms will just build an ecosystem or a solution which is basically going to streamline the task or the workflow that the builder built before, and then it will become irrelevant. This is also a concern that many SaaS owners have today, because of that the barrier to entry of building SaaS solutions seems very low today, and the pace of innovation is so fast. Some SaaS builders decide to move away from building SaaS because they don't think it's such a huge opportunity like it used to be. A lot of indie hackers are these days moving away from recurring businesses to selling one-offs, so like, one-time payment of simple stuff, and they operate under the hypothesis that since things are moving so fast, and innovation is so fast, it's better not to try to build long-term solutions, just try to capitalize on the current market trends, build a solution that is kind of innovative to most people at the moment. So for example, you have Peter Levels, which is a very famous indie hacker. He built just a solution that allows people to upload an image of their lounge or their kitchen, and it uses a model to generate images after innovation, basically after doing a new interior design of their lounge or kitchen. It's called Interior AI, if I'm not mistaken. No, Interior AI. Yes. So this is the solution. As you can see here, people upload their current lounge or kitchen or whatever, and it redesigns it based on their prompt. I don't want to speak about his strategy in detail because I don't know exactly what he's thinking, but basically I heard him and other indie hackers say that since the speed of innovation is so fast, they don't want to build like recurring businesses, subscription based. They just try to build something that is on the cutting edge or bleeding edge of technology and try to monetize it, and then worst case move on to the next thing. And I think this is also relevant for people who try to monetize in the agent space. Another alternative is just try to build this type of marketplaces, which are basically, you can say, if you build a marketplace like what he did, you're just enabling people to create their own agents in your marketplace. Obviously, building a marketplace has its own cons because it usually requires a ton of capital, because you have to bring also supply and also demand. Anyway, but this might be a smart move, just building platforms that enable other agent builders to come in and sell their stuff. This way, it doesn't matter to you if there is innovation in terms of technology, because you don't build the agents, you just enable other builders of agents to sell their own agents in your platform, and you just need to bring customers to buy the AI agents. So this is an alternative. A different alternative that comes to mind is building a media company that revolves around the topic of AI agents, since the topic of AI agents moves so fast. So just building, a media company that kind of updates about AI agents and AI agents innovation could be powerful. Another alternative is building an AI agents related consulting solution, because I mean, I'm under the impression that since this space is moving so rapidly, business owners won't necessarily be able to catch up about all the data and all the new tools that come out. And then if you want to build a consultancy in which you help business owners make the most out of AI agents, this could probably be powerful as well. I guess that's my strategy these days. I'm curious to hear what are your strategies. How are you thinking of monetizing AI agents? I guess that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, if you did or if you didn't, please leave a comment in the comment section with your ideas or feedback. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And until next time, keep on automating.